Thanks for joining me today, Mike MDs. Today we have a BMW X2 and one of the bulbs is out on the left side. So how do you replace that bulb? I'm sure you've already looked. There's no access door on the inside. On this model, you actually have to take the housing out to replace the bulb or check the bulb. It's not too hard. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, the tools you'll need is like a little panel popper, something with a V wedge that you can pop things with, and a 10 millimeter socket to get the screws off, or the nuts rather. There's a little clip here. Turn it and then just pop it out just like that. And this trim up here goes straight up and out. If you look, there's a little pin under here that lines up with the two little holes right here. You're gonna go in the same way you came out. Here you can see two 10 millimeter nuts. We're gonna undo those there. And this is just gonna pull straight back. Sometimes you'll need something to wedge in here, they get stuck. Just like that, no big deal, and it comes straight out. Just like that. And now you can access the back. A lot of times on these turn signals on this model, the contacts get oxidized or even melted. And that's the case in this one here. They're melted contacts, so the whole housing is probably going to be replaced. You can try to file this down to access the metal point again. We're going to do that for this customer, see if we can save him some money. All right, getting a better view there of the melted contact. There's one contact there. The other one here is not melted. So let me see if I can file some of this plastic off, maybe bend this tab back out for him. And if it works, awesome. If it doesn't, I'll just tell the customer he needs a new one here. All right, I've scraped some of that melted plastic that's overlapping that contact out of the way. And let's see if this works for him. There it is, awesome. Just like that. Nice little hack for you. This is actually pretty common. When going back in, there's some alignment dowels, one on the left here, one down here. They line up with this right here. Just like that, piece of cake. Just go back together. Remember, this piece just goes straight down. These little alignment dowels go straight in there first. And then back. Everything looks good. Now you can put the tab in here. Perfect. Thanks for joining me today, Mike MDs. I hope this has helped you out. Happy motoring to you.